Cybersecurity researchers have exposed a new vulnerability that exploits DNS queries to extract data from AI code environments. Specifically targeting Amazon Bedrock, these methods allow attackers to use DNS for covert data exfiltration, creating potential security risks in sandbox computing environments. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. In a report published Monday, BeyondTrust detailed the exploitation of Amazon Bedrock's Agent Core code interpreter. Researchers found that the sandbox mode of the interpreter, designed to isolate code and provide a controlled execution environment, still permits outbound DNS queries. These outbound queries can be exploited by attackers to establish interactive shells, through which sensitive data can be extracted without triggering standard perimeter defenses. Sandbox environments are intended to restrict unauthorized activity. However, they do not block DNS traffic, leaving a channel open for manipulation. BeyondTrust's findings indicate that even purpose-built isolation environments continue to have vulnerabilities when network layer controls are incomplete. DNS queries, traditionally used for domain name resolution and internet routing, have become a vehicle for exploitation under this technique. Researchers demonstrated several key attack behaviors. Attackers can craft specific DNS queries to covertly transmit data outside the sandbox environment, bypassing conventional data loss prevention tools. These queries can establish interactive sessions, functioning similarly to remote shells, enabling continuous and low-profile data extraction. Because DNS traffic is rarely blocked outright in cloud environments, the method is particularly difficult to detect using standard monitoring approaches. Organizations operating AI code execution environments need to reassess their defensive measures. Security and infrastructure teams should conduct thorough audits of DNS traffic, implement stringent monitoring and alerting protocols for DNS activities, review sandbox configurations, and collaborate with cloud providers to understand network control applications. This discovery indicates the necessity for disciplined, ongoing security practices to protect data within AI code execution environments, especially as enterprise adoption of cloud services continues to expand. And now a word from our sponsor. Stonefly's NAS storage appliance has been recognized by DCIG as one of the top 5 mid-market software-defined storage file backup targets for 2025-26. Stonefly offers a 100 terabyte immutable and air-gapped SSO NAS for $9,995. Key features include air-gapped and immutable storage, deduplication, MFA, and volume deletion protection. The appliance includes a 100 terabyte Gen 10, 8-bay 2U rack mount with 714 terabyte enterprise SAS drive pack, a 12-core storage virtualization engine, 32 GB system memory, 12 GB SAS hardware RAID controller, and an 800 watts platinum certified hot swappable power supply. It also provides services like snapshot, tiering, encryption, sync and async, replication, and supports CIFS, SMB, and NFS, Cloud Connect to Azure Hot, Cool Blob, AWS S3, erasure coding with a 1-year warranty and support included in this price. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news. Thank you for watching.